Yes, hello all, welcome back.
Yes.
So in the previous session, we have gone through the configuration of revenue account determination, right?
Yeah.
And now in this class, we will go through reconciliation account. What is that?
Mm. Reconciliation account.
Reconciliation account.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
So previously also we have discussed something about the reconciliation account, right? I think you remember that. In
Yeah.
the standard SAP, in the standard process,
Mm. Mm.
where we means when we create the invoice,
Mm.
system will generate the accounting document, right?
Yeah.
And what is the accounting entry there?
Customer account debit, revenue account credit.
Yes, customer account debit to revenue
Revenue
account
account credit.
credit, right? So for the
Mm.
customer account, the system determines the GL account from reconciliation account.
Mm.
Okay. And where we
Mm.
maintain the reconciliation account in the customer master?
Billing tab.
In the billing tab.
Reconciliation account.
See, now let me show you that. In the
Mm.
company code view, you will maintain that, right? See, this is sales area data and this is general data. And let me go through the company code data. Here, let me give the company code. See, in the company code view, in the account management, we can able to find a reconciliation account, right?
Okay.
Okay. So this
Mm.
is what, yeah, when the invoice is going to be created, means when the invoice is created, the account entry will be
Mm.
like customer account debit to revenue account credit.
Mm.
And for the customer account, the GL will be takes from the reconciliation account, this one.
Mm.
Okay, this is what is the standard process.
Okay. Mm.
Okay, so now
Okay.
what I will let you know is, if there is a
Mm.
special requirement to the client,
Mm.
let me tell a requirement like, if the client's requirement is the
Mm.
reconciliation account should not be determined from the customer master, and
Mm.
which should be determined based on some other combinations
Mm.
like plant and
Mm.
division.
Mm.
Okay, so now in
Okay.
the standard it will get determined based on customer master,
Mm.
right?
Okay.
But now it has to be get determined based on, what is that, plant and
Mm.
division.
Mm.
Okay, so now
Mm.
for which we have to make the configuration.
Okay.
Okay, so now let
Mm.
me go through the path. SPRO, then, yeah, tell me.
Basic functions.
Yes,
Sales
yes,
and distribution.
yes, CP reference IMG, and here sales and
Mm.
distribution, then here
Mm. Basic
basic
functions.
functions, then account
Uh,
assignment and costing.
mm.
See, here you can able to find reconciliation account, right?
Mm.
Okay, so in
Okay.
which you can able to find the creation of condition tables and access
Mm.
sequence, condition types,
Mm.
and the
Mm.
procedure, and we have to assign the
Mm.
GL accounts. So like this we
Okay.
can find many options here.
Mm.
Okay, so before we are going through
Okay.
which, I just would like to let you
Mm.
know one thing. It's nothing but
Mm.
the reconciliation account determination. which is an integration between what are the teams? SD and
SD and FI.
FI. Okay. So now let me create the tables. See here, what we have to do? We have to give the table number. Okay. So now let me give the table number as 700. I'm sorry. Please. Let me go through creation mode. See. So what are the combinations which we would like to take now? Plant and division, right? So these two. So with these two fields, I will generate a table now. And let me give the package as ZSD0. Now let me save it. Okay, see what is the table got generated now? 700, right?
700.
See, 700 is the table which was generated. So now what we have to do? We have to go back and we have to create the access sequences. Okay, see, in the standard, what is the access sequence we use for the reconciliation account? Which is nothing but KOAB. And for the revenue accounts, it is KOFI. Okay. This is for revenue account. And for reconciliation account, it is KOAB. Okay. So now let me create our own access sequence here. What is this? M001. M001. Okay. You would like to create M001, right? So before that, see. KOAB, right? So let us copy it and let us make it as MOAB. Is it okay?
Okay.
So now let me create MOAB and let me name it as reconciliation account. Okay.
Okay.
So here only copy the entry. Okay. See here we have to select this and we have to go through the accesses first. Now let me select it and let me go through the accesses. So here what we have to do? We have to go through the new entries and we have to give our table number. What is the table we have created now?
700.
Which is 700 only, right? So now let me select it. And now what we have to do?
Like fields.
Yes, we have to go through the fields. Then we have to save it. Okay. So I think you are clear till the creation of the access sequence. Okay. So what is the next step? We have to create the condition types.
Table.
Condition types. Okay. So now let me go through MOAB. This is what I would like to create now. And what is the access sequence we have created? Which is MOAB, right? And now let me name it as reconciliation. Okay. So then we have to save it. See, now I have created and I have saved the condition type also for the reconciliation account determination. Okay. So far we have created, what is that? condition tables, then
access
access sequence, then the condition type. Right?
Yeah.
So now what we have to do? We have to go through the
Pricing.
yes
Pricing
procedure. Okay, it's not the pricing procedure, it's the account determination procedure.
Okay.
Okay, now I have to go through maintain account determination procedure here. See, what is the standard one here? KOFIAB, right? So now let me see what exactly they have maintained here. They haven't maintained. Okay, see, now let me create a new one here. What is our procedure? MOFIAB. Okay, so this is what is the reconciliation one. So I would like to name it as reconciliation procedure. Okay, now I will select this and I will go through the control data. Then what we have to do here?
Condition type you have to.
Yes. So what is our condition type?
MOAB.
MOAB. Right? So now let me save it. So now we have created and we have saved the procedure also. Right?
Yeah.
Then what we have to do? We have to assign it, right? Assign the procedure. So for which we have to go through this tab. It's nothing but assign account determination procedure. So here, to which criteria we will assign the procedure? To the billing type.
Okay.
Now let me ask you one question. If it is the pricing procedure, to which combination you will assign the pricing procedure? Or how the pricing procedure will get determined? Based on?
Sales organization distribution channel.
Yes, it's nothing but sales area. Sales organization, distribution channel
sales
plus
area,
division.
document pricing.
Customer
Then?
pricing procedure plus customer
Document pricing procedure, customer pricing procedure.
Yes, document pricing procedure plus customer pricing procedure. So with that combination, we will determine the pricing procedure into the sales document. Right? So now here it is. What is this? Reconciliation account. So how the reconciliation account will get determined? It will get determined based on the billing type only.
Okay.
Okay. So what is our standard billing type? F2, right? So this is what is the billing type. So for which I will assign our procedure. What is that? MO
AB
00. Not MOAB 00. I think we have created something else. MOFIAB. Okay. So now let me save it. So here we have assigned the account determination procedure also, right? So what is the next step? We have to assign the GL accounts. Okay, this one. See, now how many tables we can able to find here? 3 tables, right?
4, 3.
And what is our table here? The last one, 700. Plant plus division. Okay, I will go through the new entries here. And what is our application? We have used the application V, right? V for revenue account determination. But here we have to use VB, this one, reconciliation account. And if you use V here, then you cannot able to find our condition type, MOAB, which we have created for revenue account, means which we have created for reconciliation account, right? That's what you cannot able to find here. Okay, so now let me make it as VB. Sorry. Yes. Now let me go to the new entries and see here it is VB. So now we can able to find our condition type here MOAB, right? So now I have given the condition type also. Then the next one is chart of account, which is INT, and the plant is M100 and the division is M1. So here I will give the standard GL account 1,40,000. Okay.
Okay.
So now let me save it. So now I am going back and see here the next step is define alternative reconciliation account. So if you would like to define the alternative reconciliation accounts, then you have to go through this. See here for the 1,40,000 we have, these are all the alternative GL accounts. Okay. So now let me save it. So now we have done the reconciliation account setup, right? So we have configured the entire flow, means the reconciliation account flow. So what we have to do now? We have to create
the order.
Yes. Let me create the order, because where can we able to find the reconciliation account?
Invoice.
In the accounting document. Okay. So now let me create the delivery. And the next one here is storage location. Then now let me give the picked quantity. And now let me do the post goods issue. Okay. So after completion of the post goods issue, what we have to do?
Invoice.
Yes, we have to create the invoice. And after creation of the invoice, accounting document will get generated. So in that accounting document, we can able to see the accounting entries, right? See, now let me create the invoice. Let me save it now. See, now the document has been saved. So if you have any issue with either the reconciliation account or with the revenue GL accounts, then the accounting document will not get generated.
Okay.
And for which you will get one error here. It's nothing but error in account determination. Okay, so I think you are clear with it. So after creation of the invoice, what we can do? We can see the accounting document, right? So this is what is our invoice, and if you click on accounting here, then you can able to see the, what is this?
Accounting document.
Yes, and these are all the GL accounts. And see, this is what is the customer account, right? So what is the GL account which we have assigned to the customer account? 1,40,000. See, this is the one which we have assigned.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think you are clear with it.
Yeah, clear.
And if you have any queries in this regard, you can ask me now. Okay then, bye. Thank you.